This is the instructions on how to downgrade any Apple device to whatever firmware you want to. First of all, you need to download WinRAR from RARLab, iReb from ih8snow.com, and any of your firmware that you need from jailbreakmatrix.com. You can use others, but I use this. I'll show you how to do these as well. You can access these via Google. So first of all, you want to download your WinRAR. As you can see, the first one that comes up is RARLab. In the top left of this site, click on Downloads, and there you are, WinRAR for 32-bit or 64. Mine's 32. And you just click Save. Once you've saved this, you need to install it and open it up so it's running. That's the first one. The second one you need to do is iReb 4.0. So just type it in, iReb 4.0, and then what comes up? Oh, sorry, 4.0. And what comes up is this website here. Click on that. Click on the middle, iReb. Click on the Windows. And it takes you to hot file, regular download. Now your WinRAR will convert this file, you just extract that. I'll show you how to do it later. So the next one you need to do is jailbreak matrix for your software, your firmware. So just type in jailbreak matrix, and you can see already it's there. Click on that. There it is. Click on charts and firmware. There you go. Now you just scroll down until you find whatever phone you're using. This is the firmware. Now I would download 4.01 no later, because you can jailbreak then on jailbreakme.com straight off your phone. So you click download on that. Now save those to your desktop. Once you've downloaded those, I'll just show you how to convert this file. These are the kind of things that it opens. Now what you do, you click left click, extract file, then it goes to this. Desktop, you just click OK, and what that'll do is convert the file to one of these files. So your iReb and what have you, you can open all that with that. But what you do with your firmware, you left click and you go rename. where it says zip, oh, sorry, let's do that again, rename, where it says zip, delete the zip, type in IPSW, press enter, yes, and there you go, it converts it to your, that allows iTunes to accept it. If you don't do this, it won't accept it. So the next thing you need to do is go to your start button at the bottom. Now I've already opened this here. Go to my computer, click on local disk C. Now when that opens, go to Windows, and then find a file that says System32, then a file that says drivers, and then etc, etc, and then you go to hosts. Now you double click the host, open with. Now I've got Notepad, I think you can do it with Word, and it just opens straight up. Now notice the writing at the bottom. This won't be on yours, this is what I need you to write on. I'll just show you what it is. It's 74.208.105.171 space gs.apple.com. Once you've done that, just need to go to the top, click File, Save, and then you make sure you've saved it. You can check it, once you close it down by following the same procedure. Now once you've done that, you should have your phone plugged in. Open up your iReb. I'll show you what it looks like. That is iReb there. So you open up your iReb. Now first of all you go to the top. It doesn't normally open like this, it's just because I've had it open. It normally opens like this. Now this is the screen that puts your device into DFU mode, or it helps you to do it. So click on whatever you need. Follow the instructions. When it's done, the screen turns green. Now don't close that, just minimise it, so you'll have a green screen on your device. Then you open your iTunes. Go to Restore. Now you need to shift and press the left button. That will load up this. Now you find your firmware which you've converted to your IPSW, so it looks like that. Mine's saved in my iPhone. Click on one of those, whichever one you've downloaded. Then click Open. Now it's saying it's not compatible on this, but I've just done it on the other phone. And what it'll say is Restore. So you click Restore. And what happens is, it takes about 15 minutes. It takes about 15 minutes to restore, and then you'll come up with an error 1015. Just close that off. Minimize your iTunes. And then you want to open up your iReb. click on this, and this repairs the error that you would see in the iTunes, error 1015. Click that and just let it run. That'll repair your phone, and then it'll ask you to connect to iTunes again. You connect to iTunes, that activates it. Now what you'll probably find once you do your jailbreak and what have you, your Wi-Fi doesn't work. All you need to do is go to your settings and go on network settings, reset network settings. It takes about 15 seconds. Reset that and everything will work fine. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot.